Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the app is updated and you have a stable connection. This prevents incomplete language downloads. Once done, open Mobile Legends and tap the gear icon to enter settings. Make sure you're logged into your main account so changes save to your profile. Now that prerequisites are handled, locate the General or Basic Settings section. You're ready to apply the first visible change. Proceed to the language selection area to pick your preferred language. In Settings, navigate to the General or Basic tab where Language options live. Tap Language and scroll to the option you want. You'll see regional variants where applicable, so choose carefully. When you select it, the game may prompt to download a language pack. Allow it to download completely. Make sure to keep the app open until the process finishes. If the game asks to restart, accept it. This step applies the new strings and voice files so menus and text display correctly. After the download completes, restart Mobile Legends to finalize the change. This ensures all UI and voice assets load in the new language. Once back in game, check menus, hero text, and chat language to confirm success. If the language didn't change, clear the app cache from your device settings or tap the language again to re-download the pack. If problems persist, update or reinstall the app while keeping your account linked. This typically resolves corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.